Welcome to Highway Legends. Today we're turning our attention to a popular player in the compact SUV world, the 2026 Tata Nexon. Known for its bold design, solid build quality, and practical performance, the Nexon has won over urban drivers and adventure seekers alike. The 2026 model brings subtle updates that make it even more appealing. Let's see what's new and why this Nexon stands out. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Tata Nexon retains its distinctive coupe-like SUV design while introducing refreshed elements for a modern look. The front fascia now features a sleeker grille and sharper headlamps, giving it a more confident stance. The body lines have been refined for a sportier profile, and new paint options along with updated alloy wheel designs add personalization options. The Nexon continues to balance style with practicality, making it equally at home in the city and on weekend getaways. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood, the 2026 Nexon offers a choice between a 1.2-liter turbo petrol and a 1.5-liter diesel engine, both tuned for efficient performance and smooth driving. The engines are paired with either a 6-speed manual or a torque converter automatic transmission, delivering responsive acceleration and reliable power delivery. The suspension has been refined for improved ride comfort, while handling remains nimble for city and highway driving. Safety and technology. Tata continues to prioritize safety, and the 2026 Nexon is equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and corner stability control as standard. Higher trims feature a larger touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. LED headlamps, rain-sensing wipers, and driver assistance features make the Nexon safer and more convenient for everyday use. Conclusion. The 2026 Tata Nexon continues to impress in the compact SUV segment with its stylish design, efficient performance, and thoughtful updates. Stay tuned to my channel for further updates.